Hello and welcome to WinSource's booth at Electronica 2024.
3, 2, 1.
Hello WinSource viewers, we're here at Electronica 2024 with WinSource's sales account manager, Ranne, and we're going to be talking about big data and AI. So tell me, Ranne, in your world, what are some applications for big data?
Thank you to ipXchange for this opportunity. As for me, big data is really vital for real-time analysis, improving traceability, and forecasting demand. It helps business understand the market trends, just try to manage the procurement strategies, and minimizing the risk. In addition, the supplier evaluation process enables the business or companies to select their partners.
And this big data, that must improve the accuracy and the responsiveness, right, of the supply chain.
Big data helps uncover hidden patterns by analyzing historical and real-time data. It allows companies to predict the demand shifts and get early warnings about potential issues so that they could make the quick decisions to cut down the procurement times.
And how is WinSource using big data to help with procurement and managing inventory?
At WinSource, by analyzing the suppliers' past performance and market changes, we can pinpoint the best time to buy, improving the accuracy and efficiency. For excess stock, we use big data system so that we can customize the solutions for our customers, where our customers can submit their excess stock online, and our automated tools can match them with potential buyers. It could turn excess inventory into valuable assets.
So does big data technology also have a positive impact on any other aspects?
It's a key to improving the transparency and traceability. The APIs give users real-time access to inventory data, price trends, and alternative component options. This integration enhances information allow business, customers, and suppliers, improving or optimize the supply chain efficiency.
And what are some examples where WinSource has had achievements in using big data technology?
We added a big data analyze modules to our website, which model users' behavior to the site structure, content recommendation. It allows our customers to find products faster, reducing costs and procurement times.
Okay, and looking to the future, how do you see all of this developing?
In the future, big data is very crucial, vital for supply chain automation, intelligence, and traceability. Combined with blockchain, it will enable end-to-end tracking of components, improving transparency and visualization. At WinSource, we committed to expanding product offerings and technical services to better support global electronic design engineers, further boosting supply chain efficiency.
Thank you, Ranne. That was a very good discussion. I learned a lot. And if you want to learn more about this, you can go to win-source.net. Thank you for watching.